but in the internet it's still 493,000 in yen or 650,000 in yen. In dollar is 6,500 in dollar roughly. Oh, diba? Mura na to. This is already cheap one. Maybe it has a box, but for now, wala siyang box. Inside part is look like this. Oh. It's very clean. Inside, and it has a hologram intact. Ayun, oh, meron siyang ano, data code on the side. Ayan, oh, meron siyang data code on the side. Ganda niya. Bottom part, no flaws to mention. Siyempre, mahal pa eh. Ayan. Hinawakan ko na siya. The mini drawer in color yellow or custard. In